Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I edit our tutorial videos in Camtasia. Alright, so this is going to be like a workflow type video, and I'm just going to have you kind of guys watch over my shoulder as if you were sitting right beside me with the laptop in front. And I'm not going to do too much talking as I want you to see how long it takes for an actual edit. So a couple of things before I start. This was a tutorial video I did on how to change your YouTube channel trailer. The video in raw format is about 5 minutes 41 seconds, which is like an average type length. Our videos are usually between 5 to 10 minutes. So let's show you how my actual workflow is, and I'm actually going to set a timer as well to show you guys how long it usually takes me. Alright, so I'm here on the timer page right now, and I'm going to click start, and as soon as I do that, then I'm going to get to going to edit. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Start. Alright, now we're in the project. I'm going to zoom in here. First thing I'm going to do is add noise removal. I'm not going to explain too many things because I'm just going to try and go and edit the way that I normally do.
Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel. Alright, so
I'm just going to chop off the beginning there. Move that.
YouTube trailer.
Okay. Remove that.
Alright, so
delete that. That makes it into a tiny video. A lot of people, they're like, why is the video so tiny in the beginning? I don't know, they just do that, but then you have to enlarge it. It's whenever I'm doing the webcam. So adding the intro from my asset library.
Alright, so
Okay, now I'm gonna chop a few things to make it cleaner looking. Okay. Raise this a little bit.
Alright, so I'm here on our YouTube channel right now, and this is the homepage of the channel. So this is what viewers land on potentially when you send them a link to your channel as a whole, or if they're just searching you up, they'll most likely land here.
Now I'm just going to go through and remove all of the dead air and mistakes.
And this right here, this video, this is your YouTube trailer. This is kind of like the featured video that you can set up for people to see when they first land on there. Now, from my experience, the video that is on here gets views, like, because people are always checking out our channel. Every time, whatever video we put, it gets a decent amount of views because you're featuring it. So let's change this. I want to change it because currently I have this YouTube channel earnings video with 20,000 subscribers that I did about 4 months ago. I want to replace it with an updated video because I updated it when we got to 22,000 because our income had changed.
So you see there's a bunch of dead air happening here, so I'm likely
First thing you want to do is head over to Customize Channel. And then you're gonna have a couple of things happening here. So it's gonna say for returning subscribers and for new visitors. So let's do new visitors for now. You want to hover over, and then you're going to see the pencil here. If you want to hover
I have all these pauses that we have in. So you can see that, you know,
here. If you want to hover over the question mark, it's going to
to have a
say
polished
this is
video, you
only
need to
shown to
remove all this
people who
stuff.
aren't subscribed. So that's okay. So I'm going to click the pencil here and change trailer. So I'm going to scroll through and find the video where I was talking about, there it is, our earnings with 22,000 subscribers that I did 3 weeks ago. So I'm going to click that one and I'm going to click save. So now it's changed it to that one. Now let's head over to for returning subscribers, and let's click the pencil. It's going to say choose a video or playlist to feature here. It says a note, featured content won't show if you're live streaming. So if you're live streaming and someone who's subscribed to your channel goes to your homepage of your YouTube channel, they're going to see that first. Well, that's a good thing if they see that first. So I'm going to click edit. I'm going to click edit. And then let's say I want to feature a playlist. And then I'm going to find the same video. I just want that one to be featured right now. So I'm going to click save. Let's say I want to feature a playlist. I'm going to click edit. I'm going to find the same video. I just want that one to be featured right now. So I'm going to click save. And you can add a heading for this, but I'm going to opt out of that and click save. And then click done. Done. Okay, so now let's refresh this. And go to view as, let's go as a new visitor. Right now it says yourself, so that's why it looks like this. So let's go as new visitor. Hey guys, how's it going? All right, so hey guys, how's it going? All right, so there it is. That is the new video that I set it to. That is how you change your YouTube trailer. Periodically change this video to choose a featured video that I want to showcase for people. So in this case, I want to showcase this video to show people our earnings because we do offer one-on-one coaching for people. So I show them, I tell people to go to our channel and then they most likely see this video and then go in the description and then, you know, potentially follow up with us.
All right, so we're nearing the end here.
Alright guys, well that was it for this video. That is how you change your YouTube trailer.
Okay. So if you film yourself in a certain way, like I do with a certain system where I pause, if I make a mistake, I pause and I don't restart things, then it's going to make your edit a lot easier.
Trailer. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Okay. Gonna delete that part. Now add the outro. Now I'm going to modify this outro just a little bit. So I'm going to actually cut off all this part because I'm going to place an end screen video in this area. So we'll leave that. Okay, now let's zoom out a bit. Always save your work. So I'm going to zoom out, zoom out. Okay, go to the beginning here. And add a couple of things. Usually add this thing right here. Okay, and then add a transition from here, and then we'll zoom out, and there you go. Everything is good. Now all I have to do is render the video, but I'm not going to do it right now because I'm recording live here and I don't want it to mess it up. So I'm going to just go to the timer page. All right, and stop. That took me about 10 minutes and 49 seconds to edit. Now, this doesn't include the rendering time, so the rendering time will probably be less than 5 minutes. Now, it really depends on what kind of video you have going on. If I'm rendering a 10-minute GoPro video with all that footage and the HD footage, the rendering time will take like maybe 30 minutes or 20 to 30 minutes. But because this was a screencast recording within Camtasia, it's going to be a couple minutes less than, and it's less than 5 minutes, so it'll be quite fast. So in total, I was able to complete this video in less than 15 minutes. Now, if you practice and you practice like I have, I've literally edited over 1,000 tutorials, thousands of tutorials on our channel and for other people. You'll get better and you'll get faster at it, because I have some people who say to me, you know, oh, it took me a whole day to edit a video. Well, you just need to keep working at it and get faster and faster and faster. So if you guys like these kind of videos, you guys can head down to the description below, because I have a link for 2 months free access to my 9+ hour Camtasia course. If you're serious about learning Camtasia and you want to fast track your learning, I would highly recommend checking out this course. You can get 2 months free access in the description down below. I've had a couple students go through this and they learned a lot faster by watching my tutorials in that course rather than trying to go all over and learning it over a longer period of time. So those links are down in the description below. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Back from the dead.